At Aviro D16, we enable digitalization and plant protection in agriculture. Introducing D16 Spraying Drone. Aviro D16's answer to tree-to-tree high-precision spraying. Speed and accuracy are paramount in handling pest attack, especially for targeting auric deaths on the spear of young palm trees. D16 also ensures proper maintenance regime for palm trees during important growth stages. With world's first gimbal spraying nozzle system, and specially in-house built GCS, D16 is able to achieve up to 98% field-proven spraying accuracy. Multiple times faster than manual process, D16 spraying ensure treatments are effective and cost-efficient by spraying at the right spot with precise dosage. Take control of your field operation now. Talk to us today.